Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Thomas of the Sales Tax Sisters and Thomas PC. This time we are going to talk about just a little piece of advice to make your life a lot easier. Cue the music. So today we're going to talk about putting all the pieces together. And when I say putting all the pieces together, I mean understanding what your sales and use tax responsibilities are, how to document what you are doing, and making sure that if you are audited, it is a good and fair result. First things first, you have to determine if what you are selling, the item you're selling or the service you're providing is taxable. That is the first step in the process. Once you have done that and you're secure about that whether or not it's taxable or not taxable, you have to understand, can others purchase the item tax-free? For example, tax-exempt organizations, can they purchase whatever it is you're selling tax-free? And if they do, what documentation should you have on file to substantiate the tax-free nature of the sale? And what it looks like. If it's an exemption certificate, what is a properly completed exemption certificate? What does it look like? Also, you need to know how long you need to keep your records. What is the statute of limitations in the jurisdiction in which you are doing business? Those are simple connect the dot things. When you file your return, make sure you retain all of the work papers as to how you came up with the numbers. No one wants to recreate that 2-3 years down the line. You need to make sure that you connect all the dots in case Susie, who is doing the bookkeeping, is no longer there and someone else is coming in and looking at it. During periodic reviews, to make sure that you have all of your documents in terms of invoices for big ticket items that you purchase, as well as access to invoices that you send out to customers. The little known thing that most business owners do not know as it relates to audits is that source documents are key. So if you're having some huge journal entries going in and out of accounts, you need to know what those journal entries relate to, and if a source document is at the end of those journal entries. You need to be able to explain that to an auditor. Just make sure that you are able to connect the dots from point A to point B to point C to point Z, because you don't want to try to figure something out 4 years down the line, because, honestly, I can't remember what I had for dinner last night. Who can remember what happened 4 years ago with this journal entry? Y'all know what I'm saying. So that is my little tip to make your business life a whole lot easier. If you liked it, please thumb it up, the video, and follow us. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Insta, and Facebook. We also have a newsletter we love to send out with some goodies for everyone. And I, or Mary, or both of us, we'll see you next time. Bye.